Hello children, welcome to the next part of the lesson. In the previous part, we have studied the stages that are involved in the process of election for a class. And here, let us see in detail the steps involved in an election process. I already told you who conducts elections? Election Commission of India. It first announces the election dates. Here is a question for you. Who announces the dates of election in India? ECI, Election Commission of India, announces the dates. That is the Election Commission of India in New Delhi. It announces the dates. The candidates interested in contesting will file the nomination. What is the first step, children? Announcement of dates by ECI. Announcement of dates. Second one, filing of nominations. See here, in 2019 elections, our Chief Minister KCR is filing his nominations. Filing the nominations. Next, campaigning. Our representatives comes door to door asking to vote for them. See, here is our MLA Bollam Mallaya Yadav asking people to vote for him. Campaigning. This is called as campaigning. Spelling campaigning. The candidate makes speeches. They go door to door. They use posters and ask people to vote them. First one, announcement of dates. Second one, filing of nominations. Third one, campaigning. The first one, announcement of dates by Election Commission. Filing of nominations by candidate. Third one, campaigning. Asking the people to vote for them. They go door to door. They put up posters and they ask people to vote for them. On the voting day, eligible voters, that means voters with voter IDs, they go to their polling booths. See here, they are in a line. They all are showing their voter IDs. They go to the polling booths to cast their vote. Vote వేయడా in English ఏమంటాం? Cast the vote. Cast the vote. Once again, first step, children, the announcement of election dates by Election Commission. Second one, filing up of nominations by the candidates. Third one, campaigning, going door to door and asking. Fourth one, eligible voters with voter ID go to polling stations or polling booth to put their vote or to cast their vote. Next, the polling officers will check whether the voter has voter ID or not. They will check whether the voter has voter ID or not. See, they are checking the voter IDs, the polling officers. Okay, next, then we are allowed to vote either through ballot paper or through electronic voting machine. What is EVM? Electronic spelling. Voting machine. Electronic voting machine. On the electronic voting machine, there will be symbols of various political parties. We press a button to choose the candidate we wish to vote for. మనం ఏ క్యాండిడేట్ అయితే ఓటేస్తామో, ఏ పార్టీకి అయితే ఓటేస్తామో, ఆ పార్టీ బటన్ మనం ఈవీఎంలో నొక్కుతాం. హస్తం First one is Congress, next one is BJP, next one is Elephant, next one is Cycle, TDP. So various symbols are there. We press the button and all these EVMs will be stored in a secured place. Once if we put the vote, the polling officers place an ink mark on our index finger. See here like this. They put an ink mark. We cannot erase them. Why do they put ink mark? If you go for again another vote, they will catch you. So one person should give only one vote. So to prevent people to vote again, they put an ink mark which is not easy to erase. Then next, all the EVMs are securely taken to counting booths. See, they packed the EVMs and very securely they are in counting booths. On the counting day, the EVMs will be opened before us and the candidate which get maximum number of votes will be declared winner. Okay, children, see this is EVM. How do they count it? They open the seal and they will count it. This is the symbol of Election Commission of India. See, this is counting for ballot papers and this is for counting for EVMs. See, they break open the seal. See, that is how they open the seal. Opening the seal before us, cutting the seal. Immediately once they press the button on, the number of votes will be displayed. See, the charging is not, the battery is not placed properly. Again they are placing it properly and they are asking to show the result. Total polled votes. Candidate 1 how many, candidate 2 how many, candidate 3 how many, candidate 4 how many, candidate 5 how many. So who is the winner? Candidate 4 is the winner. Whoever gets more votes is the winner. These are the steps involved in voting. First one is Election Commission announces the dates, filing up of nominations, campaigning, taking voter IDs and going to polling booths, polling officers checking the voter IDs. They ask us to cast the vote on EVM. Once we cast the vote, they put an ink mark on our finger to prevent again to vote. And then finally all the EVMs will be protected in a counting booth and the EVMs are opened and the election result will be announced. Okay children, with this I end the part of the lesson.